Hey, thanks for stopping by Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today I'm going to show you how I made this amazing smoked chicken breast. It's tender, it's juicy, it's smoky, and it's got the right amount of spice, and chicken breasts don't have to suck. And here we have some bone-in chicken breasts. Let's get these guys out of the package. Ooh, nice. Very nice. Now make sure you get big chicken breasts, because when you get those small ones, they don't turn out near as good. They usually dry out, so don't even go for those and get these big ones. There's not much to trim on here. A little bit of loose skin right there. Just trim that off. Flip her over, take a look. We're good. Nothing to it. Let's go ahead and hit these with some of our very own GPS BBQ Rub. Pat it in. Go ahead and hit the other side. Let's go ahead and fire up that blaze Kamado. As you can see, we still have charcoal left over from our last cook. We'll go ahead and throw a chunk of cherry wood in there. And we're going to use a Rescue Rub fire starter in partnership with Burn Fire Starter Company. Nothing to it, drop a run in there. Okay, that's catching, so we're just gonna let that get nice and warm. We're gonna be cooking at about 275 degrees today. So the blaze Kamado is 250. We're gonna run at about 250, 275. Let's get these chicken movies on. We're gonna hit the grill grates with some cooking spray just so nothing sticks. 1, 2, and our last one. We'll come back and check these in about 30 minutes. We're showing internal temperature of 163, so let's get these guys pulled and rested. We are at 163 internal. Let's take that probe out. And those are looking good. These chicken breasts look fantastic. They smell amazing. I get some of that cherry smoke. I get the flavor profile from the GPS. We're gonna let these guys rest for about 10 minutes, then we're gonna dig in. All right, the moment of truth. I'm gonna move this one over here and this one over here. That'll be for other folks in the family. I'm going with this guy right here. Let's give it a slice. Oh man, yum. Let's see what we got here. Nice and juicy. Oh man, this is gonna be amazing. As you can see, they're nice and tender. Juicy. I cannot wait to try this. As a matter of fact, let's get after it. See the juice just dripping off of there? This is gonna be wonderful. Oh gosh, here we go. Check that out, just, the juice is just dripping off of there. Yeah, this is good. You get some smokiness, you get the pepper, you get the salt, you get the garlic, you get the onion powder. So juicy, so tender, so delicious. So there it is. It's smoked bone-in chicken breast. Chicken doesn't have to suck. It doesn't have to be boring. Hey, if you don't mind, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's going to help the channel grow. We really appreciate you. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.